Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Volkswagen Touareg. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated seats, a power liftgate, rain-sensing wipers, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Volkswagen's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 112-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.